Hi, my name is Sean at Seedburo Equipment Company, and today I wanted to demonstrate the Sasso Mill. With USDA, Federal Grain Inspection Agency, having some new regulations around toxin testing and having to get a 95% sample through a 20 mesh screen for corn for toxin testing, this piece of equipment is perfect for the task. So this mill will come with a 10-pound holding hopper, just pivots in the back of the hopper. This is the feed slide. This is going to be how you're going to actually send the product from the top hopper into the discs. This is a subsampler right here. You can change these out for 10, 25, 50, or 75% of the sample to actually come out of the main discharge. So I have about a 10% subsampler installed at the moment. And this motor is a 1.5 horsepower and it is 110 volt 60 hertz. So it does have an overload motor switch on the side right here, and then this is your on and off switch too as well. So there is a position down here in the stand for a vacuum if you choose to do so. It does not come with one. This is something that you would do on your own. So I'm going to go ahead and attach just a sample bag to the subsampler portion. And then I do have a sock for the main discharge that I can put on here instead of a container. And that's just feeding a bucket down here too as well. So I've got that primary sample going into a bucket. For corn and soybeans, we don't want to run this mill over a 50% slide feed. So I'm going to go ahead and only open this once I've already started the mill and added product to it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the mill, add my corn, then I'm going to go ahead and adjust this slide feeder out. Now you can hear the mill has cleaned out. So I'm going to the slide feeder, I'm going to open up that all the way. I'm going to push it back in. Everything's cleaned out. I can go ahead and turn it off now. You can let the mill stop running. So this is going to be the portion I would typically take for my toxin testing. As you can see, very, very fine. So this is your adjustment for the plates too as well. And typically when you start calibrating originally, you'd crank these plates all the way down and then you'd back it off. And then you're going to slowly work in your plates as you test to get your 95%. So I'm going to go ahead and empty my sample into a pan. And then I would like to show you, this is a 20 mesh screen. So I'll go ahead and dump my sample in here. And as you can see, there is hardly anything left from that's above a 20 mesh screen. So that is perfect for what I need to do. And I will show you too the end result too as well that came down here in the bucket. So that was the rest of my sample right there. So if you have any other questions on this piece of equipment, please feel free to give us a call here at Seedburo at 312-738-3700.